People don't realize they have cured cancer in mice so many times. It's not that difficult to do. But when they translate it to the human setting, it doesn't work because of the fundamental differences between humans and mice.
We're using a human model, developing that human model, and we're validating that against the human cancer. And if the two match up, then I don't really think there's a need for an animal. Really, we need the drive for people to spend more time, more effort on developing the models so that scientists can then use them to investigate.
You can look at every single gene and you can find every single mutation that it has, which is very, very powerful. So if you can apply that to a patient, you can see in a few years' time when these type of technologies become a lot cheaper, and then you have personalized medicine. You can't really do that with a mouse.
Using human models in vitro, because it's very reproducible, very controllable model, and it's also very clinically relevant. Because it's got that direct relevance, you can start exploring important clinical questions directly, like you can't necessarily do in animal models.